Here we are in our second video. I'm going to click Untitled Site, and this is where you'd put the name of your website. I'm going to make up a business. Okay. When I click here, it's going to automatically populate whatever is here. Okay. I'm going to click Add Logo. Now there's a lot of different options. Brand image, upload, select. Let's try select. And it's going to take me to an internal image chooser. If I have the address of an image, I can paste it here, but I'd like to show you Google image search. Dogs. Okay. So we can see that that's the logo. It needs to be small. So dog walking is too much activity to put in such a small place. I'm going to go here. I'm going to go back to navigation. I'm going to suggest that you have the navigation at the top. There's other possibilities, but we're going to keep top. The default is transparent. I'm going to go for black. And what that does is puts a black bar here. We have the name of the page, this here. Okay, so your title page. Noe Valley Dog Walking. Okay. And then the header, this is the header. Change image, select image. I'm going to say search. And here's where I'll type in dog walking. So this is where something like this would make more sense. Okay. Let's stop there. Notice all changes saved in Drive, so things get saved automatically.